Hi, I'm Wire. Welcome to Wireworks. Hey everybody, Wire here. We're gonna restore this tool here. It's a little rusty and handle needs a little bit of work. This is a little pry bar that I got off of eBay. I thought it was pretty cool. Make a nice little restoration project. I can't find any markings on it. I don't know who made it. I do have a little crack in here. I don't know what I'm going to do to fill that in. But we'll do something with it. But as we clean this up, we'll find that. We'll see if it has any maker's marks. But I thought it was pretty cool. It's only 6 inches. I don't even know what you would use this for. It's so small. But I thought it was pretty cool. Anyway, let me get the wire reel set up and we'll start working on this. Okay, this is a post wire wheel and some sanding I did. I'm probably going to sand a little bit more. I haven't figured out what I'm going to put in this crack yet. I might just leave it the way it is. I got all this all wired down. I had a hard time getting this in here, so I'm going to see if I can do something else for in here to get that all cleaned out. So let's go to the next step. Let's polish this all up and work on this handle here. Okay, that's what she looks like. What I'm going to do is polish this up. Use my old Butcher's Bowling Alley wax. I love this stuff. And we're going to polish it up again one more time. Put a liberal amount of this stuff on here. Put it down here too. I couldn't get the inside of this too good. I don't have wire wheels for my Dremel tool. I'm going to have to go over Harbor Freight and pick up a few of them. Fortunately, Harbor Freight's walking distance from my house. It's only, I don't know, maybe 2 blocks across the street in the shopping center, about 2 blocks down, next door to Ollie's. Okay. Let's let this stuff sit for about 5 minutes, and we'll polish her up. Be right back. Okay, I've let this sit for about 10 minutes. Let me get the excess off. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to put quite a number of coats on here, but I'm going to buff this up real quick and put some more coats on it as we go along here. It's hot. Okay, there we have it. Let me zoom in on this for you. And there's the complete product right here. It turned out really, really nice. I don't know if I'm going to use this or not. I might use it, but I really don't know what I'm going to use it for. It just seems kind of small for a pry bar. Any of you out there could tell me what this is used for, I really would appreciate it. It's just I've never seen a pry bar this small before. And I couldn't find the maker's mark, so I don't know who made this. Maybe I'll do a little bit of research on it and see who made it and what it was used for. Anyway, fellas, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. I don't know what we're going to get into next. I got a few things I need to do. I was planning on doing that birdhouse challenge, but all my woodworking tools are up in storage. I had to move a lot of things into storage because I'm really running out of room back here. I'm looking for a garage right now, something big enough to where I can keep all my tools and all my wood and all my project tools and everything in, and maybe do all my YouTube projects over there. But it's just very hard to find a garage with electricity. But I'm going to keep on looking. Anyway, fellas, have a good one. God bless you all, and see you next time. This is Wire at Wireworks. See ya.